All right, let's end on runtime security. And this is, you're in production and you're running your application, and you definitely want to use a data center, which is giving you a lot of security controls for you. Obviously, Azure does a great job about it, and you can piggyback off of Azure's security certifications and audits, and pretty much any security audit that you would need to tackle. Azure has already gone through those processes, and you can take the results of those audits and use those as part of your compliance process. But Microsoft in Azure provides security recommendations built into every one of the services, so use those. And also, you can use Azure Sentinel as one of the security information event management systems. Abbreviated, you can pronounce it SIEM. But those are systems that actually track a security event, a detected attack, or if it thinks that it's attack, and so you can log those. And then one thing that you need to do early on in your architecture is to decide what constitutes an alert and what constitutes an alarm. An alert is kind of like a warning, and an alarm is an error, but applied not from code compilation, but to production. And an alert is something that people need to know about, and then the people decide if action is needed. An alarm is clear cut, and it's blaring out to everybody, hey, action is needed now. Okay, that's an alarm. And you need to intentionally decide what constitutes an alert and what constitutes an alarm. Okay, you do not want to put, well, you can put alerts in your logs, but you do not want to rely on scanning logs just to look at alerts. You want alerts to be broadcasted, and you want alarms to pull all of the fire bells and send text messages and all hands on deck. This is a big event. And then you want to maintain a formal on-call schedule, because if you have an alarm go off and all of the phone numbers and emails are getting lit up, but you don't have anybody who's actually paying attention to those phone numbers or emails, then you've got a big gap. So you want to maintain a formal on-call schedule so that you have someone whose job it is to respond immediately to alarms and to evaluate the alerts. All right. So as we close, I want to encourage you, if all of this seems overwhelming, just start doing something. Determine somebody who's on call. Don't ask at the time of an alert, who can handle this. You just got to determine that. And before code is written, design in decisions about those, and just start iterating with your team.